Hello everybody, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. I am Arzu Gaur and the topic for today is sentences. Now, my first video was all about formation of words. Now, what do we have after formation of words? So, when we combine those words together, it will form a sentence. However, any combination of words will not always make sense. For example, first read this sentence. Dog under my is tree sitting a. So we all are familiar with all these words, but still it do not form a senseful sentence. Now we can reorganize the same group of words so that it carries some meaning and gives some sense. Now read this sentence. My dog is sitting under a tree. Now it is giving some sense. So the idea is clear that a sentence is a group of words which makes and gives some sense. Fine. Now all sentences begin with a capital letter. Now there are 4 different types of sentences. First one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are also known as declarative sentences. Now why are they known as declarative sentences? Because when somebody is declaring a statement or expressing a feeling or some historic or some story or some paragraph, so when there is a declaration in a statement, in a simple statement, then we will call it as an assertive sentence. Now the representation of an assertive sentence is that it will end with a period or a full stop at the end. Now for example, I will go to school tomorrow. It is a declarative sentence, right? Somebody is declaring something like he will go to the school tomorrow. So it's a statement made by someone. Now what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences which represent a request or a command or an advice. Now it will be more clear with an example. Please pass me the book. Now it's a request. How do we know that it is a request? Because it starts with the word please, and please is a word which is used to request something, or we will use this word in a sentence to request somebody to take something or ask them something, right? So please pass me the book shows that we are requesting somebody. Now leave the room immediately. Now this sentence is a command. They are not saying that please, could you please leave the room. No, it is a command. Leave the room immediately. It is a command, right? Now the third one, you should leave early and reach the examination hall on time. Now it is an advice that if you will leave early, you will reach the examination hall on time, right? So it is an advice. So imperative sentence represent 3 things that are a request, a command and an advice. Now note, imperative sentences end with a full stop, but they may also end with an exclamatory mark. So they can end with a full stop as well as an exclamatory mark. Now what are the examples? We are done with the examples. Now the third one, interrogative sentences. So as you all know, interrogative sentences ask questions. Now interrogative sentences end with a question mark and they start with the words which, when, why, what, right? So when there are the sentences where they put up questions, right? So they are known as interrogative sentences. Now what are the examples? When will you return home? Why can't I leave now? Right? So all these questions are interrogative sentences. Now the fourth one and the last one is exclamatory sentences. Now what are exclamatory sentences? We use exclamation sign to express surprise and when we are astonished by something. So it expresses a strong feeling, a sudden feeling. Now every exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now for example, what a beautiful rose. Now we are exaggerating the rose, that it is very beautiful. Hence it is an exclamatory sentence. Oh, what a pity. Now here we are showing a sorrow feeling. We are, it's a pity sentence. We are saying that, oh, what a pity. Hence it is also a sudden feeling. It expresses a sudden feeling, right? Now what a handsome boy, and an exclamation mark. Now we are exaggerating that the boy is handsome, right? So this is all about sentences. I hope this topic is clear to you all, and we'll meet you in the next topic in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.